Woohoo! Vikings are 5-0. Wait, that doesn't work. 5-0. Now we got a nice sunny day. And we're headed out fishing. See, I was watching the game. Right on the TV. Now let's get them. Yeah. Oh, we're still recording. Okay, we reached the section of the road where it's mucky. So we gotta go 4 low. 4 low as she goes. We made her out to the river. Let's go see if we can catch some walleye. Let's get them. Time check is 1:20. Time check is 1:20. We got the Nemos. We got some worms. Ta-da! Spotty tails. Okay, we hold the camera. First fish of the year. Stuck on something. Oh yeah, you gotta say. First fish of the year on the pink rod. What do we got? There it is. It's a goldeye.
A goldeye?
Walleye.
It's a what?
A walleye.
No, it's a what?
A walleye. There he is. Got him. The first gut hook of the season. I'm just kidding. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's been a long time since I've seen one of these guys.
That's your favorite.
Hey, baby. All you get? 19 inches. 19-inch walleye. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I almost feel like eating them.
Fish for supper.
Fish for supper, I think. Yeah, we're gonna eat this guy. You're not supposed to eat many fish out of the river because of the mercury levels, but you can have 1 or 2 servings per week. So, going in the sink.
Mango.
That's a quick bite. 19 inches. Beautiful area. Come and sit and chill. Yesterday was terrible, so we didn't come out yesterday. But yeah, it's so nice out here. She's on! First fish of the year, or the fall year for Kari-Lyn. Let's see what we got here. Another walleye. There it is. Oh, nice one, Kari-Lyn. Nice fish. Nice walleye. Look at that one. Oh yeah, baby. That's bigger than mine. Hope you don't lose it. Just kidding. Woo! Yeah, Kari-Lyn. Oh, he came up. He came up. He came up. I got him. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Want to hold him or no? Oh, baby, that's a nice one.
Where again?
Underneath the belly. Yeah. Holy cow, Kari-Lyn. Yeah, baby. Got a nice one. That's like a 20-incher.
Got him?
Yeah. Here, get your camera. We can let this one go. This one's too big. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a nice one, baby. 23 almost. Yeah, if we stretch it, it's 23. 23 inches. Good job, baby. High five.
Yeah, we do it.
Okay. I haven't used this thing yet. Oh shoot. We gotta open it and take the plastic off. Oh, fucking batteries in it. Well, we were gonna use this.
What did we forget?
Batteries.
Batteries.
Wait, back in the water. Turn. 23 inch walleye. There he goes. Yeah. There you go. That's a nice fish, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo! She's on again. We didn't get the hooks yet, but this is the third fish already. It's a good day at the river. Yeah, he's right there. Woo! Another whale eye. Oh, it's a baby. That was time for a small one. He hit it pretty hard though. Nice job, Kari-Lyn. Slow it in. Just on the edge. Perfect. There you go. There he goes. Oh, turn around.
He's caboose.
Oh, my shadow. I'm gonna eat now.
He's gone.
Yeah! Woo, killing it! That's 3 fish. Okay, a little windy, but I'm getting hungry. Time for some hot diggity dogs. Alright, it's a little windy. Trying to use a chair as a block. It looks like it's gonna get burnt. But it's working. Just need some coals for some hot dogs. I gotta move that chair. Move it back a bit. And there we go. Nice fire lit up.
A few moments later.
Time check is 3:11. 3:11, ready for some hot diggity dogs.
Hot dog!
Oh, it didn't take long.
Watch them.
Go ahead, say it.
I'll just be ringing now.
Had a bite, but I'm too hungry. Looks like it got off. Fishing can wait. It's time to eat. Look at these heroes. Whoa, yeah. They're ripping. Kari-Lyn's got a fish on Fish-O. Woo! Oh, there's a fish on there. Bring her in, baby. Let's see what you got. A nice whale eye. Ooh, it's a nice one, baby. Wow, that's a good one. Woo-wee! Yeah, baby. It's a big one. Oh my goodness. Hooked right on the lip. Oh, Kari-Lyn. Look at that fish. Look what you do, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The hook just on the lip. Barely. Barely hooked. Right on the lip. Good job, Kari-Lyn. You got some leeches on the tail. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. That same 23 incher, I think.
It's always the same
Oh, this
one.
is bigger. Maybe 24 and a half.
Woo!
24 and 3/4. 24 and 3/4 inch, baby. You did it. Woo! Oh, it's your fish. You gotta kiss your fish. Woo. Ah, good job.
Nasty.
All right, 24 and 3/4. Doing that good. Alrighty, yep. See you later. Oh, look at that nice fish, baby. Wow, it's so fun. Yeah, good job, Kari-Lyn. It's nice seeing big fish like that still swimming around. Release your big fish. Put the big mamas back in the water. Kari-Lyn went for a walk. Alrighty, time to pack up. Kari-Lyn's already on it. I said let's go and she's gone. She must be cold. Oh yeah, sun's almost at the trees. We're leaving her a little early, but I still want to get home and fill out those fish so we can cook them up tonight. We gotta catch the ferry back across. So let's go. Woo! Always make sure to put out your fires. Soaking wet. What's that, kitty? Whoa, kitty, see a fishy. What is that, kitty? Is that fishy? This cat is special. He's got 3 legs. Special cat. Guess what his name is? Gimpy. They named him Gimpy. This is so funny. Call a cat Gimpy because he's got 3 legs. Poor kitty. But he likes it. He doesn't care. He doesn't know.
He has a good life. We saved him.
What's that? It's first time seeing fish. How old is the kitten? 6 months old.
No, not even.
Not even 6 months
There's 2 of
old.
those in there, I think.
Hi, Gippy meow.
Which
Hi, Gippy meow. Ow! It bumped my head.
batter? Your butter or crispy butter?
Crispy batter.
Or like original?
Original. All right, time to fillet them. Aha, all done. Ooh, even got the cheeks and the gullets. Or walleye wings. Whoa, we got the potatoes going. The original fish batter mix out. Fish crisp. More potatoes ready. And some corn and onions. And we're gonna try to mix the walleye and coat it in mustard before we put it in the mix. How about we do that one last? It's gonna be interesting. Okay, we got a bit of fish in there. See? We're gonna save this stuff for the mustard, I guess. See what that's like. Oh yeah, taters are done. Taters and onions. Just like Lawrence Bay Lodge. Right, fish are done. We are going to try the mustard fish batter, whatever you call it. I've seen it somewhere. I think my dad's seen it. And we've been saying we're going to try it out for a while, but we haven't. So here we go. So you just batter your fish in the mustard. Oh man, I didn't think this through. I need a fork. Batter the fish in the mustard. I almost said shrimp. And then into the mix. Straight into the mix. There we go. And into the pan. Oh, the oil's burned. Oh. And then we repeat it several times. Fish in the mustard, in the batter, and in the pan. Fish in the mustard, in the batter, and in the pan. Oh my goodness, it burns quickly like that. It looks good. Man, it sure crisps up really fast with the mustard. It took forever to cook without the mustard. It's got this nice crust on it, this mustard batter. This one cooked a little too fast. Alright, these ones are done. One side is for the mustard. One side is just the plain original batter mix with some lemon pepper and paprika. Yeah, those actually look pretty good. A little on the crispy side. Okay, let's try this out. A little bit of taters. Taters and onions. A little bit of some corn. And the mustard whale eyyyye. Let's check it out. Oh, take the burnt one. Okay. This is a little weird. Oh, it's cooked. Really good. Could have cooked it a little longer, but it's okay, it's still cooked. Steaming. Not bad. I like it. So if you want to try mustard battered fish, give it a shot. It's pretty good. Mmm. Right, baby?
For sure, yeah.
No, I won't put it in there.
I don't want to be in there.
It's okay.
My big indent from my hat.
Well, if you haven't tried mustard and whale eyye before, you should give it a shot. It's very good. Well, until next time, I'm Northern Mike from Northern Mike's Fish Hut. Any fish is a good fish. Big or small, post them all. Woo! Fishing! Yeah! Woo! If you like this video, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more great episodes coming soon. You rock. Woo! Woo! Fishing!